Hello, my name is Eliana Pedro Vival. I live in San Victor Moca. I study at Luis Napoleon Núñez Molina. My teacher is Christopher Peralta. Subject English Interchange 2. The activity is will the next death I will be sharing with your some information for two provinces of Dominican Republic with Puerto Plata and San Cristobal. Puerto Plata is a province for Dominican Republic. It is a great command of the English language. The San Cristobal on song for the beach, like Cabarete, Cofresí, Sosúa, Playa Dorada, Maimón, Beach, Beach. The tourism is an import in Puerto Plata, as will a playa sport, should have hiking, rafting, surfing, wilking, and skiing. The economy of Puerto Plata is based on agriculture, industry, and tourism, while the economy of San Cristobal is different. Record places are the further end of San Felipe, crossing the Cabo Cape. San Cristobal is a municipality in the Dominican Republic, located in the province of San Cristobal, goes back to the beginning of the conquest and location of Hispaniola or Haiti. Its economy is based on the Nestlé factory, Maggi, the plant of the grocery family, Sancela. The process plan for Goya is not happening in Puerto Plata, half will at the Grace Industrial Park. Recognized places are the Plaza de la Bandera, Church of Lady of Constance. At the front of this left I hop in Wilbur and could see the difference that are between Puerto Plata and San Cristobal. Thank you, goodbye.